The Tomorrow Project, the largest cancer research study ever undertaken in Alberta, recently made its 100th mobile location stop in Cochrane. Started in Alberta, the Tomorrow Project is now a nationwide study that will help researchers understand the causes of cancer and develop more effective prevention strategies by tracking participants over the course of their lives.
The Tomorrow Project is basically a cancer prevention research study. It's the largest study that's ever been undertaken in Alberta, and the idea is that we get information from people when they're healthy, so they haven't been diagnosed from cancer, and track them over a number of years and continue to collect information from them. And ultimately, some people will end up with cancer and others won't, and we can compare those two groups of people and determine maybe what the differences were between those two groups.
To date, nearly 290,000 people from Alberta, BC, Ontario, Quebec, and Atlantic Canada are taking part in the initiative. Cancer Control Alberta has set a goal of 50,000 Albertans to join what is now the largest long-term health study of its kind in Canada.
We're still in a recruitment phase, so we're trying to get about 50,000 Albertans. I think right now around 34,000. So like most Canadians, we've been touched by cancer in some way or another. 1 in 2 men, 1 in 3 women will develop cancer in a lifetime. So it is pervasive, and it's not going to go away unless we do something about it.
Participants have two choices once they volunteer, so they can fill out the questionnaire, and that takes about usually up to an hour. And they can just do the questionnaire and get a saliva sample sent in by mail, or they can do the questionnaire and also come into a study center. And the study center visit takes an additional 45 minutes to an hour.
It's a very positive feeling for me because of my family's history with various types of cancer. My father died of cancer. My mother-in-law had leukemia and succumbed to it, and my father-in-law passed away from cancer. So I'm hoping by being involved like this that maybe someday we'll find a cure for all the different types of cancer.
The data gathered by the Tomorrow Project has already been used to support research into several forms of cancer, as well as heart disease, diabetes, and stroke.
I really think that people who take part in the Tomorrow Project have the potential to make a difference in future generations, and hopefully if we can figure out what causes cancer, ideally in the future we'll be able to prevent it.
To start with, yes, between the ages of 35 and 69 with no prior instance of cancer. Besides non-melanoma skin cancers, so basal cell, squamous cell, you can still participate. Feel free to call us at our toll-free number. It's 1-877-919-9292. And we're also online at www.infortomorrow.ca. You can find more information than is in this video, and you can also register and sign up yourself as well.